Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and today is the day, y'all. Who's ready? We have a Dollar General clearance event, and in this video, we are going to be going over part 3 of our clearance event deals and coupon matchups. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so jumping right in, you guys know what's up. Your girl's been uploading videos for you all week long, going over tons of deals, tons of coupon matchups. We have clearance, penny list, clearance event visuals, all kinds of stuff. So YouTube is still a little bit mad at me right now. They haven't been sending out notifications for all of my videos, and for some people, my videos aren't even showing up in their subscription feeds. So if you think you have missed out on any videos or any deals, make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video. I'm going to have everything linked and listed for you right down below. And don't forget that if you are new to shopping these Dollar General clearance events, I've already put together a fabulous video going over everything that you need to know, pro tips, most frequently asked questions, all of the things are in that one little video. So make sure that you go and check that one out as well. Now, let's go ahead and jump into these deals. In this video, we're mainly focused on hair accessories, shampoos, conditioners, styling products, all of the things. And with this category, we have a lot of coupon matchups, and we also have instant savings. Now, the instant savings is on Suave brand products. And I do want to warn you all, the instant savings does not work on all Suave brand products, okay? It's kind of like our gain deals. Y'all need to scan each and every Suave product that you pick up and make sure that instant savings attaches. Now, in the event that it does not come off at the register, hopefully you'll have a nice employee. You can show them on your DG app that that is a promotion that is currently going on. I believe it was advertised in last week's ad. I'm not sure if it's in this one as well, but it was definitely in last week's ad. So hopefully they will manually adjust that down for you. Now, speaking of prices ringing up correctly during a clearance event, I will say for this one, I have been up for several hours now. The prices have changed over to half off, and so far, so good. So far, I have not came across anything that is still showing full price in the app. Now, that doesn't mean that you won't get out there today, scan a product, it will show up half off in your app, but it may ring up full price at the register. You just never know until you get out there and start shopping and see what happens. Hopefully, again, hopefully you will have nice employees that are aware that a clearance event is going on, and they will manually adjust that down for you. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Now, another thing that I wanted to mention is that when I go to these clearance events, unless we have some kind of glitch going on, I am not going through the self-checkout lane unless I absolutely have to. You know, now we do have stores where it is self-checkout only, so that's real fun. But I prefer to go to the regular register where there is a cashier. That way, if there's any issues, they do have an opportunity to fix it. If they don't want to fix it, that's fine. Always void your transactions. If you don't want to pay that much for those items, just void it. That way you can save your coupons for another day. Alright guys, now like I said, it's a little past 6 a.m. now, and your girl's been up for several hours, but I have been getting you all ready for this clearance event. Now I need to go and get myself ready for this clearance event. I still have coupons to clip. I need to make sure my phone's charged up and all of the things. So I'm going to turn on a little bit of background music, and I will talk to you all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so we're almost to the end of the video now, and check out these deals. I mean, 75 cents for Head and Shoulders. Yes, please. I am so excited for this clearance event. I cannot wait to get out there and see what all deals I can find. Now, I am going to try to upload another video for you all later today, so make sure that y'all stay tuned. I also threw in another freebie. There's some overage for you all, so be on the lookout for that Eucerin lotion for those of you who stuck around until the end. Alright guys, that is going to be it for me for now. I'm going to go charge this phone up and get ready to rock and roll. Good luck, everybody. Before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Again, good luck out there. I hope you all find some amazing deals, and I will see you on the next one.